Hello guys, welcome back to Nexonian Solutions. In this tutorial we are gonna learn about widgets. What is widget? Widgets are the basic building blocks of a user interface in Flutter. Okay guys, so if we can see in our this screen, everything is a widget here, like this text widget, this app bar widget, this text, and this one is a floating action button. Everything is a widget, and these all are inside the scaffold widget. Okay, what is scaffold widget? We can see it briefly. So guys, here you can see this is a scaffold widget. If we want to make our screen in Flutter, we must use scaffold. Without using scaffold, the screen will be black. For example, if I use a text widget inside my screen, but I never use a scaffold, then the screen will be black until I use a scaffold widget. Okay, when I use a scaffold widget, it will show the text and a white blank screen in the background. Okay, we can also able to change the background color of our scaffold widget. So guys, as you can see here, these all are widgets. This is our app bar widget, text widget, rich text, safe area, column, row, container, button. Everything we will discuss in our future videos. Okay, so let's get understand the widgets syntax of our Flutter application code. Okay, first of all I will open my VS Code and my emulator, and here you can see guys, this is our main app. Okay, let me show you a picture so you can understand easily. So guys, see here, this is our my app root. So if we can see here my app root, okay, you can see here this is our my app root, where we can use our main app or my app or class name of our stateless widget. Okay, so let me explain you guys. First of all, we will remove this code, and here I will use a stateless widget. This is a stateless widget, and inside my widget I will change it to my app or main app. Okay guys, you can see here the error is gone. Now here I will use material app. Inside my material app I will use home. Okay, and then I will create here a stateful widget and rename it my home page. Okay guys, and I will call it here my home page. So now you can see here guys, this is our root and this is our material app. Okay, so we will discuss about these two things, and the third thing is my home page. This is our home page and stateful widget. Okay, now let's discuss about scaffold. Without scaffold, the screen is black because I already discussed to you about scaffold. Okay, so here we can use our scaffold. Okay, this is our scaffold. Okay, our scaffold I will use app bar, and inside my app bar widget I will use a title. Title is a text widget. Okay, and text will be my app or anything. And now I will use body. Not here. After my app bar I will use body. Inside body of scaffold I will use a center widget, and inside my center widget I will use a child, which is gonna be text widget. Okay, and I will give the name my app text. Okay, and that's it. And now we can understand our code. This is our my app root. As you can see here, this is our my app root. Okay, and after my app root we see here is a material app. So this is our material app. Okay, inside our material app we can use our my home page, which is a stateful widget. Okay, this, and inside our my home page we can use a scaffold. This is our scaffold, and inside our scaffold widget we can use a app bar and inside the scaffold widget body we can use our text widget and center widget. Center means it will align the text in the center, and this is our text widget. Okay, so now we try to run our application. So as you can see guys, our application launched perfectly. So this is our app bar and this is our text widget inside our center widget, which takes it in the center. I hope you understand the syntax of our Flutter application development code and the widgets. Okay. Now we will discuss about the difference between stateless and stateful widget. So now here guys, you can see we have a two widgets, the main widgets, stateless widget and stateful widget. What is stateless widget and what is stateful widget? We can discuss about it. Basically, a stateless widget is a type of widget that does not have any mutable state. It means that information displayed by the widget does not change over time. For example, we use stateless widget for displaying static content or information that does not need any change dynamically. Okay, so here you can see guys, I'm using stateless widget here, but my stateful widget have all the content of the app because stateless widget does not support set state, but stateful widget supports set states. And you know guys, what is set state? This is basically a primary way to update the state of a widget and trigger a rebuild of a widget tree. Okay, while if we discuss about our stateful widget, this is our stateful widget. So stateful widget is a type of widget that can maintain and update its state during its lifetime. This means that the information displayed by the widget can change based on user interaction or other factors. Okay, for example, if we want to implement the component widgets, for example, like I want to make a component class for forms, buttons or any element that require dynamic updates. Okay, so we will discuss about the component widgets in future videos because we are gonna develop everything using component widgets. Okay, for example, if I want to use a text widget, I will create a component widget for text widget. Okay, I want to use a button widget, I want to use a text field, I will create a separate component widget for it. Okay, so I hope you understand about what is difference between a stateless widget and a stateful widget. So that's it for today tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.